Let me ask you a question. Where do you keep your crypto? On an exchange, on your phone, or locked away in a tiny USB device worth a couple $100? Because here is the truth. Depending on your choice, you could either sleep peacefully at night or lose everything overnight. In this video, we are starting from zero, no wallet at all, and climbing step by step to the most advanced hardware wallets out there. By the end, you will know if you really need one or if your money is safe enough without it. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. Let's start from level 0, no wallet at all. Most beginners just leave their Bitcoin on Ethereum, sitting on an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. It feels safe, it feels normal, but it's actually the riskiest choice. Let's see the pros. It's convenient, you don't have to remember anything. You log in, click, and trade. Some exchanges even offer insurance. But here is the disadvantage. It's not your money. The old saying goes, not your keys, not your coins. If the exchange freezes withdrawals, gets hacked, or goes bankrupt, your crypto is gone. Just ask Mt. Gox's customers. Thousands lost everything in 2014 and never got it back. And if you're thinking, that will never happen, let me tell you about Mt. Gox. Back in 2014, Mt. Gox was the world's biggest Bitcoin exchange. At one point, it handled over 70% of all Bitcoin trades worldwide. Imagine, 7 out of every 10 Bitcoin transactions went through Mt. Gox. But then, disaster struck. Hackers stole about 850,000 Bitcoin. At today's prices, that's billions of dollars. Customers woke up one morning and couldn't withdraw their money. Their coins were gone forever. Thousands of people lost their life savings. Some of them are still fighting in court today, more than a decade later. And that's why the phrase in crypto, not your keys, not your coins. Because if an exchange controls your keys, you don't really own your money. So let's see, what's the next level? The paper wallet. This is literally writing your private key or seed phrase on a paper, hiding it in a safe place. Here are the pros. It's free, it's offline, hackers can't touch it. If kept secure, it works. But here are the disadvantages. Paper is fragile, it burns, it gets wet, ink fades, and let's be honest, how many times have you misplaced a piece of paper in your life? And remember, anyone who finds the paper, yes, you guessed it right, owns your crypto. No PIN, no password, nothing to stop them. Let's see level 2, mobile or desktop wallet. Think MetaMask, Exodus, or Trust wallet. This is where most people land after realizing a paper note might not cut it. Here are the pros. They are user-friendly, you control your own keys, they connect with DeFi, NFTs, staking, the whole digital finance world. But here's the cons. They live online, and anything online can be, as you know, it can be hacked. A phishing link, a fake update, or malware on your computer, that's all it takes to drain your wallet. So yes, it's safer than leaving funds on an exchange, but you are really exposed. Finally, level 3, hardware wallets. We're talking here about Ledger, Trezor, Coldcard. These are physical devices designed to keep your private keys offline, away from hackers. Here are the pros. This is the gold standard. Even if your laptop is infected with the worst malware on earth, your crypto stays safe. That's why institutions use them. But here are the disadvantages. They cost money. They are not idiot-proof. lose your device and your recovery phrase and your funds are gone. And here's a pro tip. Never buy one second-hand or from an official seller. Supply chain attacks are real. Some scammers tamper with devices before reselling them. So, do you actually need a hardware wallet? Here is the truth. If you only hold a small amount, $100 or $500, a mobile wallet might be fine. But once you are holding serious money, a few thousands, tens of thousands, a hardware wallet stops being optional. It becomes insurance. Think of it this way. You wouldn't store gold bars under your bed, right? You will put them in a vault. And crypto deserves the same treatment. So the real answer, the more you have, the more you need to protect it. Now you've seen the full journey, from zero wallet to paper to mobile to hardware. Which level are you on right now? Drop in the comments. I want to know how you're protecting your crypto. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Until the next one.